Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to be working on the E46 again, and I'm going to be changing the brake calipers, so I'll take you along for the ride so you can learn how to do it. If it's a good video for you, then hit like and subscribe below this one to let us know, and keep watching. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is put this on as level a surface as I can find and jack it up and remove the front wheels. First thing I'm going to do is crack this one just to make sure it's easier to get off after getting the caliper off, and then I'm going to take these ones out as well whilst I'm here. And, I can't remember what size they are, but as you can see, mine are braided brake lines, so they're probably a different size to the standard if I remember rightly. They're 13s. No, bigger than a 13. Okay. Right. 14. Okay, so just gentle tap like that. That means I should be able to get this off easier when it's off. Now these are 7mm Allen keys, so not standard bolts. Blade. This one I'll put that very quickly. The new meters for this is something stupid like 65 or 35. I'll have a look and I'll put it up in the thing afterwards, but I know they're not very, don't have to do them stupid tight. There we are guys, I hope that helped some of you out. If it did, then please let us know by hitting a like and subscribe below this video, and stay tuned for more content and more hints and tips coming on a multitude of different cars. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you in the next video.